go?
Hi, Bob, Surgically Clean Air. We're going to do the monthly maintenance on the smaller unit, the carbon Granite, SCA4000R. So you're going to have a little clean cell light flashing here. Right there you'll see that light will be flashing, and that means it's time to clean your cell. And this is a monthly job. We want to just pop off, come in nice and close here, pop off this cover, right? We're going to take this out and we're going to give this a vacuuming off, or you can wash it with soap and water and let it dry. Then we're going to take out the electronic cell. You may have a tilt-out version and it just tilts out and lifts out, or you may have the one with 2 or 4 pins. You just flip up the wings and remove that. Now this, you spray with degreaser and then rinse it off with hot water and just tilt it up to dry for about 4 hours, right? While you're doing that, grab the tab on the carbon filter, remove the carbon filter and vacuum it off. When you place it back in, it goes in top first right to the back because there's a clip that needs to go behind. Otherwise, you won't be able to get the cell back in. The directional arrow shows you which way the filter air flows through, and the filter goes in. And just flip back down the wings into the slots. Place the door back on the pedestals. The magnets will catch and the machine will come on. Turn the machine on. Now this is important. You see here it says hold power button down for 3 seconds to reset. So I'm just going to press down and we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It actually took 5 seconds, but now your machine is reset until next week. Or next month, sorry.